Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Now tap on Permission Manager and then select one of your device's features, like for example microphone. After that, click on one of your apps. I will go with Chrome from Not Allowed section and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. Now, instead of selecting one of the available options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!